Hey guys, welcome back to Lomelli Armory. Today I'm going to be installing the Herrington Arms Universal Type R compensator on my Beretta 92XI. Alright, so Herrington Arms is actually known for making really good compensators. I have one where I did a review for my Walther PDP Pro SD. It has been working flawlessly, no issues, hasn't come apart or broken or anything like that. I keep it well maintained, so after every range visit, I try to scrub off any of the excess powder, gunk that's all built up into it after shooting hundreds and hundreds of rounds. Still, like I said, to this day, very reliable. I'm going to be installing this one here, the Type R, on the 92XI. So since it does have a threaded barrel, you can install this on this thread pitch. They do include different rings that we can use, so we'll go ahead and open this up. There's a Ziploc, so if you want to take this off, you can put this back. So these are the different rings. You can see some are thicker, some are thinner, some are a little bigger. It's right there. So you're going to go ahead and find out which one works for the Beretta. And also wanted to point out there are instructions on the back here. So the first step is to slide the included O-rings into the groove behind the threaded barrel. So I actually removed the thread protector. And you can also try different O-ring sizes or pair them up for proper fit. Thread on the compensator until it hits the O-ring. Tighten to the desired orientation with the top port facing up. And then you can add blue Loctite to the barrel threads for a more permanent solution. And then of course you want to let it dry for a minimum of 24 hours. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and install the compensator. So I found that the second to the largest O-ring actually works the best for the Beretta barrel here. So I'm just going to slide that over the top, put that behind the threads. Make sure that that's sit right. Then I'm going to go ahead and thread the compensator. So the bottom is going to be the logo here. It's HA followed by the little comp. And so I'm going to start right in here. Start twisting that. And then you'll feel it get snug as it hits the O-ring, and then you just line this up. You'll see that the bottom is lined up with the logo. Then you have the side ports and then the top port. So this is what it looks like on the Beretta 92XI Tactical. So this is going to be really fun to shoot at the range. And this is what the front of the comp looks like with the slide locked back. Just like that. You can see the O-rings right back here. It's kind of buried under the comp. So it's not going to have any contact with the front of the slide here. Super neat. We'll go ahead and test this out the range. Where I was aiming. Alright you guys, so that was the Herrington Arms Universal Type R compensator. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one.